It's time to exercise, but the big game is starting. Do it all at once. Combine multiple screens on your TV however you like. Ready to give it a try? Just follow along. Press the Multiview button on your remote. There are presets for frequently used setups, so all you have to do is choose. How about we try a home workout? You can watch your favorite shows and movies along exercise videos on the same TV. Lots of people watch YouTube while exercising these days, right? You can even see yourself exercising alongside. What do you think? Easy, right? Use these simple settings to exercise while enjoying content you want to see. Say you're watching a soccer game, but there's another big game playing at the same time. Let me help you out. Go ahead and press the Multiview button. Then, select another TV app. Now you can see both games at the same time. And check this out. You can even chat with friends while watching. Just tap your phone on the TV. Now you've got two games and a video call on your screen all at once. What if the match highlights are already on YouTube? Press the Multiview button and just add a YouTube screen. Watch the game, make video calls, and even watch YouTube all at the same time. And that's not all. You can enjoy all kinds of content from the TV app, TV Plus, your set-top box, and live TV at the same time. Just press the Multiview button and select the service you want. You can change the layout too. How about we try reducing the number of screens? Choose the screen you want to delete and press the Select button on the remote. Then just select the trash can from the contextual menu. Easy, right? When you have two screens, you can change their sizes. Focus on what you want to see and make it bigger. And of course, you can watch using picture-in-picture. Sometimes, you want to watch something different from what your family is watching. Try using Multiview. Connect your Bluetooth headphones to the window you want to watch, and you can hear the audio separately. If you want to listen to music while watching an exercise video, of course you can choose to hear audio from both at the same time. Think it will be a pain setting up every time? Not at all. Just save your favorite screen combinations so you don't have to. Before exiting the Multiview screen, a save pop-up will appear. From there, save it as a preset. Next time, just select the saved preset from the Multiview menu, and you can watch using the same layout right away. How easy is that? Enjoy content the way you want with Multiview.